Thank you for being with us. We start tonight in a Manhattan courtroom where a new chapter of history is being written. The first criminal trial of a former president opened today. Donald Trump is accused of falsifying internal business records. It is all part of an alleged scheme to bury stories that he feared may hurt him in the 2016 election. In the next few weeks, Trump's private life, his personal legal troubles, and even his presidential campaign will be put under the microscope. Philip Crowther, international affiliate correspondent for the Associated Press, is in New York right now outside of the courthouse. Philip, good to be with you today. So today's proceedings are all wrapped up. What happened today?
Yeah, what prosecutors made clear during their opening statements is that they don't believe this is only about business records. This is about a plan to corrupt, in their words, the 2016 presidential election. A planned, long-running conspiracy to influence the 2016 election. In the words of one of the prosecutors, it was election fraud, pure and simple, they say. Donald Trump, the former president, charged with falsifying business records, those to hide those payments to the former adult film star Stormy Daniels. That includes payments to Michael Cohen, the former lawyer and fixer to Donald Trump. He is expected to be one of the key witnesses in the courthouse you can see behind me. And during their opening statements, the lawyers for Donald Trump, the defense team, well, they did their utmost to discredit Michael Cohen. He's expected to be one of the key witnesses.
Philip, what about the jurors? What do you know about them?
Well, we don't know, or rather we're not really allowed to say all too much about this team of 12 jurors and 6 alternates. All 18 of them have to sit in every minute of this court case. They will be anonymous throughout this case to protect them, to protect their identities. It's 5 women and 7 men altogether. They are all from Manhattan. They have all said that they are going to be able to be fair and impartial. The simple fact that they are from Manhattan is a problem for the former president. He has said this again and again, that he believes he cannot get a fair trial in a place that votes in its very large majority for Democrats. That is part of the criticism that we've been hearing from Donald Trump. He, of course, also pretty much every day before entering the courtroom and upon exiting the courtroom talks about what he sees as a politically motivated trial against him.
And Philip, before I let you go, what can we expect in the days ahead here?
Well, we're going to be hearing more from the first witness who already took the stand this Monday, one of, I think, what we could describe best as a colorful cast of characters who will be taking to the witness stand in this courthouse. We already heard this Monday from David Pecker. Now, he's the tabloid publisher of the National Enquirer. He is the man who decided to be the eyes and ears of the campaign. Now, that means essentially that he made sure that some of the most damaging stories for Donald Trump were not published in the end. Now, we expect to hear a lot more from him this Tuesday, and maybe what's most punishing here for Donald Trump and most painful for him in this case is, first of all, the possibility, of course, of a jail sentence for him if he's found guilty, but also there is all that salacious detail that will be coming out here in public from some of the witnesses about his private life, but also about how he led his presidential campaign and how he led his business. And a lot of that information will be coming from those key witnesses that the prosecution will bring.
All right, Philip Crowther in New York for us tonight. Thank you.